Cable and ports, HDMI high-definition multimedia interface. Introduction to HDMI. HDMI stands for High Definition Multimedia Interface. It is a standardized digital interface that is widely used for transmitting high-definition audio and video signals between various devices such as televisions, computer monitors, gaming consoles, Blu-ray players, and more. HDMI provides a digital alternative to older analog video and audio connections, offering several key advantages. Features high-definition video and audio transmission audio return channel, ARC, helps to send audio from laptop to television. Consumer Electronics Control, CEC, allows other devices like TVs, game paliers, etc. HDMI supports high-definition video formats, including 720p, 1080p, 4K, and even 8K, providing sharp and clear images on compatible displays. HDMI use types of HDMI cables: standard, high-speed, premium high-speed. HDMI in TVs, gaming consoles, and home theaters. HDMI in computers and monitors. HDMI's role in modern digital connectivity. In terms of HDMI generation by generation, HDMI evolved 720p 30 Hz to 8K 120 Hz in generations of HDMI 1.0 to HDMI 2.1. And now we can experience high-definition visual with greater refresh rate. HDMI 1.0, 1.2. Introduction, basics of digital video and audio transmission. HDMI 1.3, 1.4. Introduction of higher resolutions, deep color, and audio return channel, ARC. HDMI 2.0, 2.0. 4K support, increased bandwidth, and high dynamic range, HDR. HDMI 2.1, enhanced 4K and 8K support, variable refresh rate, VRR, auto low latency mode, ALLM, and EARC, enhanced audio return channel. There are many devices comes with HDMI ports like TVs, console game player, Blu-ray player, laptop, etc. Thank you.